Hello guys, welcome back to the debug arena. In this video, I am going to solve one problem of our application. So first, let me do the login in our application. So I will come here and press on this login button. You can see here, I have got this message logged in successful and I have been navigated to my home screen. But from here, if I press on this back button, I am again navigating back to my login screen. So this is an issue. In this video, I am going to fix this. Like whenever a user is at the home screen and he presses the back button, he should get the alert saying whether you want to exit or not. Based on that alert, user should exit the application or not, but he should never be navigated back to the login screen. So we are going to handle this. For this, we have to go to our home screen.jsx. So you can see this is my home screen.jsx, and if you want to learn all of these things like how to do login and registration in React Native along with Node.js and MongoDB, then you can go and follow this playlist. Now here I will first import a component named as backhandler which will help us to do this. I will go to my use effect, we'll just press enter, and here we can write backhandler. Add event listener here, and this event will be called when we press this hardware back press. So this button is known as hardware back press, and whenever user will press on this line will be called, and in this we will pass a callback function, and the name of the function will be handle back press. Now I will come here at the top and I will create that function. We'll change the name. Now on the press of this button, what we have to do? We have to show the alert. So in this function, we have to write the code for alert. Let me just write that quickly. So I will write here alert, which will be imported from React Native dot alert, and in this I will want that cancel and OK button. That's why I am writing like this. So here I will write exit. After that, here I can write, are you sure you want to exit? And after this, I can pass the two things. One is OK and one is cancel. So it will be array of object, and in this I can pass text, and the text will be cancel. And on the press of cancel, for now I will call null, and I will give here style as cancel. After that, we will add one more object in this, which will be OK. It will be exit. So I will write here text as exit, and here on press I can call one function from backhandler like this backhandler, and we want to exit the app. So I will write here exit app. So this is the code which will show us the alert box, and it is done. Now let's check the output. So I will click on this login. I have been logged in successful. Now I will press on this back button, and you can see I have got this alert, but still it is navigating back to login page. It is because we have to write here return as true, so that this function will work properly and it will not navigate back to the login page. So I will cancel this. I will again press on this login. I'm at the home screen. I will press on this back button, and you can see I'm getting this pop-up, and when I click on cancel, nothing happens. Again I will click here. Now I will click on this exit, and I've been exited from my app. Now I will open my app again. You might think this is over, but it is not. The first thing which we have to do, here we have add the event listener, so we have to remove that, and we can remove this event by returning here, and inside return we can return the whole function, and in this we can add this line backhandler.add event listener. Just change it to remove event listener, and done. Now in this there is one more problem. Like, let me just navigate to other page. So here I am at profile, you can see. Now here also, if I press on this back button, I am getting this pop-up. So it is like if you add this backhandler at one place, then it will be applied to all the stack navigator, like all the screen register in the stack navigator. To tackle this, what we have to do, we have to import one component from React Native navigation, which is use focus effect. So let me just import that. So I will write here import, and here I can write use focus effect, and it will be imported from React Navigation Native. What this will do, this will only called when this screen will be focused. Now I will come here above the use effect. I will call use focus effect. It is also an hook provided by React Navigation. In this I will pass react.use callback. Now inside this I will pass our whole function. Now I will come to this use effect. I will copy the whole thing and I will just paste it here. So what this will do, this code will be run only when this home screen will be focused. Otherwise this will not be run. And I have used react.use callback because if we don't use the callback now, then it will create the stack of function. Now I will save this. I'll reload the application. Okay, React doesn't exist. So let me just import the React. Done. Now I'll click on this cancel button. I will go to my profile. And now here, when I press this, you can see it is navigating back to this home screen. And when I press here, I'm getting this alert. So this is how you can control going back from home screen to login screen. The same code you can copy into your login screen so that whenever user log out from your application, he should not be navigated back to the home screen. Now in the next video, instead of this alert, I will show the toast message from React Native, which will make notifications or alert of our application more beautiful. So stay tuned for that. That's it for the video. I hope you have understand each and everything. And if you have any doubt, then please let me know in comments. Thank you.